Hi, Anna. It is Mark. How are you doing?
Mark, hi. I am doing great, thank you. Just enjoying a beautiful, sunny Saturday morning. It is so nice to hear from you. What have you been up to?
I have some very exciting news to share, actually. That is the main reason I am calling you.
Exciting news? I am intrigued. Please tell me everything.
Well, after weeks of searching and packing and stress, I have finally moved into my new apartment.
You moved? That is not just exciting news, that is fantastic news. Congratulations. I knew you had been looking for a new place. I am so happy for you.
Thank you so much. It has been a very busy week, but I am so happy to finally be in. And to celebrate my new home, I am having a small party. It is a housewarming party, and I would be really happy if you could come.
A housewarming party? Ah, I would be absolutely honored to come. Thank you so much for inviting me. I would not miss it for the world.
I am so glad you can make it. It would not be a party without you there.
Of course I will be there. I cannot wait to see your new apartment. I have so many questions. First of all, when is the big event?
I am planning to have it next weekend. So not this Saturday, but the next one. That is Saturday, the 6th of September.
Next Saturday. Okay, let me just check my calendar. Yes, I am completely free that evening. That is perfect. What time are you thinking of?
I was thinking of starting the party at around 7 o'clock in the evening. So 7 p.m.
7 o'clock is a great time to start. That gives people enough time to have dinner beforehand if they want to, or they can come straight from their afternoon activities.
Exactly. I want it to be a relaxed evening get-together.
So the key details are next Saturday, the 6th of September, starting at 7 p.m. I have put it in my calendar with a big star next to it.
I am so happy you can make it. I am really looking forward to it.
Me too. I have another question for you. What kind of party are you planning? Is it going to be a big, loud party with a DJ and dancing, or is it more of a small, quiet get-together?
That is a very good question. It is definitely not going to be a loud, crazy party. My new neighbors would not be very happy with me if my first week here involved loud music until 3 a.m.
That is probably a very wise decision if you want to have a good relationship with your neighbors.
I agree. I am planning something much more casual and relaxed. I am thinking of it as an open house style party.
An open house? What does that mean?
It just means that people can come and go as they please. They can arrive at 7 or they can arrive at 9. There is no formal schedule. The main idea is just for my friends to come and see my new home and for everyone to have a nice, relaxed time chatting and mingling.
That sounds like a wonderful kind of party. It is much more relaxed. People can stay for the whole evening or just pop in for an hour to say hello. It takes the pressure off everyone.
That is the goal. I want a cozy, social, and comfortable atmosphere. Just good friends, good conversation, and good music playing quietly in the background.
A cozy and social atmosphere sounds perfect to me. Now, I have to ask the most important question of all, the question that everyone wants to know when they are invited to a party.
And what is that most important question?
Will there be food?
Of course there will be food. A party is not a party without something to eat. You know me better than that.
I am so relieved to hear that. Are you planning to cook a big dinner for everyone? That sounds like a lot of work.
It would be far too much work, and my new kitchen is not quite organized for a big cooking project yet, so I am not making a formal sit-down meal. Instead, I am planning to have lots of different snacks and finger food available throughout the evening.
Snacks and finger food are the best kind of party food. It is much more social than a formal dinner. People can just graze and eat as they are talking. What kind of snacks are you thinking of?
I am going to order some mini pizzas and some spring rolls. I will also make a big cheese platter with different kinds of cheeses, crackers, and grapes. And for a healthier option, I will have a big plate of fresh vegetable sticks, like carrots and cucumbers, with some different dips, like hummus.
That menu sounds absolutely perfect. A great variety of savory, cheesy, and healthy options. Something for everyone. And what about drinks?
I will have a good selection of drinks. I will get some local Austrian beer and some nice red and white wine. And of course, I will have plenty of non-alcoholic options, like sparkling water, fruit juices, and some sodas.
It sounds like you have everything planned so perfectly. The food and drinks sound amazing. You are going to be a fantastic host.
I am trying my best. I want everyone to have a wonderful time.
I am sure they will. Now, you seem to have everything under control, but I still have to ask, is there anything I can bring? Do you need any help?
That is so kind of you to offer, Anna. But no, you do not need to bring anything at all. The most important thing is that you just bring yourself. Your presence is the only present I need.
That is a very sweet thing to say. But are you sure? I would be more than happy to contribute something. I could bring a nice bottle of wine or maybe some extra snacks.
I really appreciate the offer, but I think I will have plenty of drinks and savory snacks. I have it all covered. Please do not worry about it.
I know, but it is a housewarming party. It is traditional to bring a small gift for the new home. I feel like I should bring something to help you celebrate.
Well, you are a very good friend for offering. I really do not need anything.
I know you do not need anything, but I would like to contribute. I have an idea. You have organized all the savory snacks, but you have not mentioned anything sweet. You have not planned a dessert.
That is true. I had not thought about dessert. I was just focused on the main snacks.
Well, I absolutely love to bake. It is one of my favorite hobbies. I would be so happy to make and bring a dessert for the party. What do you think?
You would be willing to do that? That would be amazing. A homemade dessert is 1,000 times better than anything I could buy in a store.
It is no trouble at all, I promise. I would really enjoy it. What kind of dessert do you think people would like? I can make a big chocolate cake or perhaps a cheesecake.
Both of those sound incredible, but I know what my personal request would be. You make the best chocolate brownies in the entire world. They are legendary.
My famous brownies? It has been a long time since I have made them. I think that is a perfect idea for a party. They are easy to eat with your hands, and everyone loves chocolate.
They will be the most popular item at the party, I guarantee it. Okay, I will gratefully accept your very kind offer. Thank you so much, Anna. That is a huge help.
It is my pleasure. I will be the official brownie supplier for the party. I am very excited. So, who else is coming to the party? Will I know many people there?
That is a good question. Yes, you will know quite a few people. I've invited our whole group of mutual friends. So, Sarah, David, Thomas, and Julia are all coming.
Oh, that is wonderful. It will be so nice to see the whole gang together. I have not seen Julia for ages. I am really looking forward to catching up with her.
I thought you would be happy to hear that. It will be a nice little reunion for us all.
Will there be people there that I do not know?
There will be a few new faces for you to meet, yes. I have also invited some of my new colleagues from my marketing job, the ones I told you about. They are a really nice group of people, and I'm excited for you to meet them.
That is great. I would love to meet your new work friends. It is always interesting to meet new people.
I think you will really like them. And I have also invited my two new next-door neighbors.
You invited your neighbors? That is such a nice and friendly gesture. It is a great way to start a good relationship with them.
That was my plan. I want to be a good neighbor. So it will be a nice mix of old friends, new colleagues, and new neighbors.
It sounds like a perfect mix of people for a party. It will be very social and fun. I am getting more and more excited. Now, I have a very practical and important question. I do not know where your new apartment is.
Ah, yes, the address. That is probably the most important piece of information that I have not given you yet. I should probably send you the details in a text message.
That would be perfect. But can you give me a general idea of which part of the city it is in?
I can. I have moved to the 7th District, Neubau. It is a really vibrant and cool area with lots of nice shops and cafes.
The 7th District. I love that area. It is a great place to live. And it is quite central, so it should be easy to get to. What is the best way to get to your new place?
Public transport is definitely the easiest way. My apartment is only a 5-minute walk from the Zieglergasse station on the U3 U-Bahn line.
The U3. That is perfect for me. That is my subway line. So it will be a very easy journey. I do not even have to change lines.
I thought it would be convenient for you. And if anyone wants to drive, there is a public parking garage just around the corner. But it is quite expensive, so I'm recommending that everyone takes public transport if they can.
I will definitely be taking the U-Bahn. It is so much easier, and it means I can have a glass of wine and not worry about driving home.
That is a very sensible plan.
I have one final question for you, and then I promise I will stop interrogating you about your party.
Interrogating? You are just being a good and well-prepared guest. Ask anything you want.
I was just wondering what I should wear. What is the dress code for the party? Is it a fancy dress-up event, or is it very casual?
That is a very important question. I should probably put that on the invitation. Thank you for reminding me. The dress code is definitely very casual and relaxed.
So I do not need to wear a fancy dress and high heels?
Absolutely not. Please be comfortable. The vibe is very informal. Just wear whatever you would normally wear to go to a friend's house on a Saturday night. A pair of nice jeans and a top or a casual dress would be absolutely perfect.
That is good to hear. Casual and comfortable is my favorite dress code.
So, I think that is all the information. Let me just do a quick final check. The party is next Saturday, September 6, at 7 p.m. It is a casual housewarming at my new apartment in the 7th District.
Correct.
The best way to get there is by taking the U3 to Zieglergasse. I should wear something casual and comfortable.
You have it. And I am providing all the savory snacks and drinks, and you are very kindly bringing your legendary chocolate brownies for dessert.
I am. I will make a very big batch. I feel like I am fully prepared now. I have all the important details. This is going to be such a fun evening.
I really hope so. I am so looking forward to celebrating my new home with all of my favorite people.
It is a wonderful reason to celebrate. I feel very honored to be invited. Thank you again, Mark.
It is my pleasure. Well, I should let you go and enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I have a lot of boxes to unpack before next weekend.
I can imagine. I will send you a text message next week just to reconfirm.
Please do. It was great talking to you, Anna. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too, Mark. And good luck with the unpacking. I will see you next Saturday.